Hello guys, thanks for coming to this video. So let us understand basic terms. All we know that the Apache Spark is faster than the traditional big data Hadoop thing. Now we all know about technical terms, how why it is faster, but let us understand in a very basic manner, like in layman terms. For example, we are going from A to B city. Uh, that there are two cars are going. Both the cars are having there is one driver and there is a family. One car, whenever somebody like a passenger needs something, he stops. For example, the kid is saying, I have to go washroom, then driver stops the car. Somebody wants to eat something, driver stops the car. And then driver also stops for the gas, for the kind of filling the petrol in the car. He stops there too. uh, this is how he reaches from A to B. So if he is stopping on each one of these needs, he will take some time to reach to from A to B. Now the other driver, what other driver says before the journey starts, he says, we will stop at one place and we will stop such a place so that I can fill the gas, I can fill the petrol in the car, we can go to washroom also, and then and somebody is hungry, we can eat too. So we will not stop at each at different places, but at one places which can provide us all, which can satisfy our all the needs. So second driver or second car will reach earlier compared to the first car. Both the cars reached from A to B, but the and and all the passenger went through the same experience, the food, washroom, and the gas and petrol, everything, but still the second car managed to reach faster. Why did that happen? It happened because the driver didn't stop on each of the need. It waited, and then when found it a right place, it stopped. That is how, that is the main difference between the traditional big data processing and the Apache Spark, because that is why we say Apache Spark is kind of a lazy processing. So lazy means I am not going to do anything until B apply an action. So now this is how we can understand in a kind of a very in layman terms, so that we can remember it and we can apply the concept. Now the second concept, when we say in memory, Apache Spark is faster because it is in memory operation. So why in memory operation is faster? Let us again take a very simple basic layman style example. When we are in the kitchen, we are having a counter, like where we can put all the stuff that the raw materials, the tomatoes and potatoes, and then the milk and everything is there on the counter, and we will cook something using that, all those raw stuff. For example, you are having a very small counter. There is a kind of that burner, and then very small counter space, and the rest. So what you will do, for each of your need, you will open the refrigerator and then take out the milk, do something, put the milk back, take out the vegetables, do something, put it into the back into the refrigerator, then bring out tomatoes, do something, and put it into the refrigerator. So for each of your need, what you are doing, you are opening the refrigerator, taking the stuff you need, putting it into the counter, cutting, chopping, whatever you want to do, you do it, and then you put it back. So for your recipe, what you are doing, you are multiple times opening the refrigerator, taking those things, putting it to the counter, and doing that stuff. Now imagine a different case where you are having a very big counter. Very big counter, you are having burner there too to cook something, but very big counter. So what you can do there, you will open refrigerator one time, take out the milk, take out the tomatoes, potatoes, whatever you need, and put all in the counter, and the bigger area for your work. So what will happen now, you are still cooking the same thing, same recipe, but now you are not opening the refrigerator again and again. So everything is there in front of you on the counter. You cut the tomatoes, potatoes, everything, you cook something, and in the end, when you are done with your need, you put everything back into the refrigerator. So The second process, where the counter is big, you are the things will be quicker. In the first case, where the counter was small, the things were a bit slower. Now that is the one other difference between the traditional big data processing and the Apache Spark. Uh, that is how we that is when we say that Apache Spark is in memory. In memory, that means it is having bigger counter. It can put a lot of stuff in the counter to cook something. It doesn't need to open the refrigerator again and again. That is how we can understand. And by refrigerator, what I mean, input output operation. So the biggest problem and biggest hurdle in big data area is that you need to have the very less IO operations, because the reading from the disk, writing from the disk takes a lot of time. So if you are not having bigger counter, the overall recipe cooking process is going to be slow. So now this is how that we can understand that the lazy processing of the Spark and the in-memory processing of the Spark. Thank you for joining.